Hi, so this is how you will receive the machine, and it's all in different parts, and this is how to assemble it. So first of all, this part is what you use to reduce or increase the filling amount. So this machine is designed for 8.5 centimeter diameter skin. If you're using an 8 centimeters diameter skin, then you will need to push this forward a little bit in order to reduce the size of the filling amount. So you need to put in the white top towards the bottom, and you push it in ever so slightly, and it comes in.
1, 2.
So the number 1 is against number 1, and the number 2 goes in number 2. And you've got the numbers on the PC, so you can't really get it wrong. Then put it up, and you see the holes. So we're going to do that one more time. Take it off. And we're going to do it one more time just to show you under where it should go. So that's it. You lift this. It clips in there. And then it turns in. And then that should be all settled. And it shouldn't move. That's it.
No. Okay.
Like there. That goes in. That's it. So now this is securely put in there, and that can't go back in. Okay? Then the lever needs to be up in order to tighten that all together, and now that's completely fixed. Next step.
Yes.
So that little bolt needs to be unscrewed. Check. That's it, and then you put it back in. Be very gentle with it. You shouldn't need to force or anything. It will get in quickly. This handle is actually also used as a tool, and it will be used also later. You see how we pushed down that lever here in order not to break it, and then you tighten it. Strong?
Yes.
Quite strong.
Quite strong.
Okay, then next part is
3.
part number 3, which goes
Number 3.
into the top header where there is number 3 as well. Leave it, drop it, and then the side should go down, and you will see that there is a little lever here which should go into the other lever. So, chick. It's a little bit finicky, but once in there, it's in there. Okay, so next we're going to add the conveyor belt to it, which has 2 things that it slides right in, and then you lift it, and the joints are going straight in there, and then you've got the 2 black screws, and that's absolutely fine. It will go together, and you just screw it in. Again, quite tight. Don't hesitate to give it a firm twirl. That's it. Then the protection. You use also that small butterfly nut. And then
The mixer.
this is what is going to take all the dough back into the gyoza. And you just need to basically screw it quite tight. You see, that's the handle you need to push, and that's fine. And then just need to put the glue back on. It clips and it turns. Screw it. Just don't close it too tight. Okay, and that's the open and close.
Open and close.
Cool, perfect.
Protection.
Protection on that side.
And
That's it. And finally, number 4 is what is going to get this machine running. And you will feel it if you just put it in at some point. It's a little bit loose, and that's completely normal. Okay, so it's a little bit loose, but that's normal because this plugs and goes straight into it, and it gets the gyoza machine working. It's normal, but it's a little bit loose. Okay, I think we're done. And then, if you want to activate it to test it, you put the handle here. This is what's also being used to clean it. And go ahead. That's it. And when you turn it, it makes the conveyor belt go forward as well, and it pushes the gyoza skins and rolls and rolls and rolls and rolls it. Okay, so the conveyor belt here didn't turn. It's because that part wasn't in. And this is what makes the conveyor belt go forward. So if you do it again, that's it. And off you go. Happy gyoza making!